Okay, now that you are registered and have your API key, you'll want to enter your API key to begin the process. Okay. Enter your keyword and generate up to 10 title variations. Then look through the titles to see what you want to use. You can generate generic titles or select Generate Titles with AI for more unique titles according to your keywords or topic. Click on the title of your choice to create as many templates for the different platforms as you want. Click on the platform of your choice to review the details. To autofill these templates using your ChatGPT API key, simply click on Enhance with AI and then review, edit, and elaborate on the details before publishing.